Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'll be showing you how to hide your Instagram followers. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and if you want to hide our Instagram followers, we have to switch our account from a public account to private account. So we can go to Instagram profile, we can tap on this profile button, then we can tap on this three lines button on our profile. Then after that, we can tap on the settings and privacy and just scroll down until you find the account privacy. Tap on the account privacy, and here I want to turn my public account into a private account, so we can just tap on the circle button to activate the private account. Okay, and you can tap on switch to private. Okay, now my Instagram account has become a private account, and after we have switched to private account, only our followers who will be able to see our Instagram followers, and someone who doesn't follow you on Instagram won't be able to see your followers and also your following. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide our followers on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.